Hi, today I'm gonna be talking to you about why this guy is a loser. Bryce, shut up! Shut up, Bryce! I'm not making a Snapchat video. So, yeah, I'm filming. Get out of my room. So, the reason... I said shut up! I can't hear myself, okay? Yeah, okay. So, he's a loser because he can't wear socks. He doesn't have any pectoral fins, and socks don't fit him. So he's a loser. Also, he drives, and he can't drive because his fins can't reach the pedals. But he dreams about driving with red fuzzy cubes, and that's gay. Subscribe and donate to my change.org. Thanks.